Okay, as you could see there, we have a leaking gutter on the joint there, so we need to get up and sort it out. Okay, so first of all, I'll just remove all this muck, get this cleaned out, and then we'll take this off, clean it, and check the seals, check the rubber seals on it. I've removed the joint and you can see there is already a sealant, possibly a silicone there. So I'll clean all this up and then clean the joint. I've got this union bracket off now, joins the two pieces of gutter together. Well, this is the end that was leaking, and it looks to me like there's no seal in there, there's no rubber seal. So again, clean it all off and I'll see what I can do. I do have another rubber seal here which I can use, that will go in here, so we'll just check it out, give it a good clean though. Some warm soapy water, put some in there, this lot in here. Now I can go back up and clean the gutter, come back and clean this. So that's the dirt washed off it. Just see a sealant there, possibly a bituminous sealant. So I need to get that off. Clean that up, and I might have to run some sealant on that because it's looking a little bit damaged. See about that. But anyway, white spirit. And we'll just dig at this and soften it up and get it off. Come off quite easy with the white spirit. That's cleaned up and a fresh rubber seal on this side. I can run sealant along this top edge, but now I just need to check that the gutter is sitting right up to these lines, one there and one there. Okay, when I was taking it off, as I expected, I'm going to have to shorten the gutter a little bit, because if I position this right, so that's where the first line is, there, not easy to see, but then if I draw it back to where the other line is there, so it's not sitting right, I'll have to remove a little bit of gutter. So take this off, attach the bracket correctly, and then I can measure what needs coming off here, and then this will work properly. Bracket's now on. Put this piece of gutter in position, so I've had to move the bracket over slightly. Now I can trim off and put the gutter to where it should be. It was too far over, but I'll put it back in position and we'll have a quick look. I've lined up where the brackets were, and if we just take a look now at this end, so you can see there's not a lot wants coming off. Just look down there, you can see possibly about what, just under half an inch wants coming off, not too much. I used a fine tooth saw on that just to take a slither off the end. Remember, this has to expand, so can never have these too long. So back up and get it fitted. Got the gutter back in position, so here it's sitting nice just up to the line. So now this was the side that had a little bit of sealant over the rubber seal, so what we'll do is I'll pop a little bit of sealant along that rubber seal and then fix this back. This is the sealant I'm going to use. That'll be okay on the gutters there. Now I can just clamp this back up and we'll give it a test. That's a whole 5 litres of water I've just put into the gutter there. See, it's flowing right to the end, emptying out. Okay. And no leak, which is good.